in our Vidyakunj Career Academy. Today we are going to see here finger abacus. In finger abacus, in earlier session we have learned how to count unit numbers 0 to 9 and how to count tens number 10 to 90. Yes or no? On the basis of even we have learned how to count number 0 to 99. Yes or no? Have you done practice? Then let's see what we are going to do here. We are going to do here sum. Yes. I have written here by direct method. By direct method means here there is no problem to add or subtract. Yes or no? Let's see then how to calculate with the help of our finger. See. I have written here numbers. Just see here. What is this? 1, 2. Okay, these numbers we are going to add here. Before doing this, we have to do once again practice of counting 0 to 9 and 10 to 19. Just let's see. Now, right hand. I have taken right hand. Right hand represents units number. Even I have written here RH means units, LH means left hand. That left hand represents tens number. Yes or no? See. Right hand. With the help of right hand we have to count 0 to 9. Here fist means 0. Fist means 0. Right hand fist means 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how do you represent 5? 4 finger down, thumb raise. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Have you counted? You have to do it. Now next. Tens number we have to count here. Okay. Now tens number represents with the help of, we are showing here with the help of left hand. Okay. 10, one finger means 10, 20, 30, 40. Then how do you represent 50? 4 finger down and thumb raise. This is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Done. Then we have to do here sum. One number. This is unit number. Then which hand you will take here now to add this one? Right hand. Yes. One number. Then next two number. 1, 2, 3. After 2, what has given here? Again 1. What is our answer? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer is 4. Now next one. What has given here? 6. Here also unit numbers. Then if unit numbers we have to take here right hand. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Then we have to represent here 6. Then how do you represent 6? Then you know 5. 5 means thumb. Thumb plus 1. 6. What is this? 6. And next number has given here 2. 1, 2. Done. And next number has given here 1. See here. 1. I will raise here 1 finger. What is its answer? All finger means right all fingers means right hands all finger means 9. Now next number. See. These are also one digit number. One digit number, it means we have to represent on the right hand. Okay. 3. What is this number? 3. I will raise here finger. 1, 2, 3. Next number has given here 1. 1. And here again one number has given. One number means 4 after 1, 5. If you want to show here 5, how do you show here 5? Close 4 finger. Raise thumb. This is 5 number. Okay. See this one 5 number. 5. How do you represent 5 number on right hand? With the help of thumb. Okay. 5. Next number 1 has 1. 6. Then next number 2. 1, 2. It means 7. How? See here. 5, 6, 7. 8. What is your answer? 8. Okay, this is our answer. Now, next I have taken here 2-digit number. 2-digit number. How do you represent 2-digit number? This is 5, 15. Then how do you represent 15? Left hand represent tens. So 10. Then right hand represent units number 5. 15. Next number has given here 2. 1, 2. It means, see here, thumb 5, 6, 7. It means 17. Next number 2. 1, 2. What is your answer now? 19. Yes or no? 19. Next number 16. Again 2-digit number I have taken here. 16. 10. Here 6 units place. So we have to represent with the help of our right hand. 6. Thumb 5. One finger 6. 16. Next number has given here 2. Then we have to take here 2 number on right hand. 1, 2. What is this? What is this? 18. Now next number 1. Then 19. Now here I have written 2-digit numbers. How to add here 2-digit numbers? That also we have to see. Okay. 52. 52. 50. How do you represent 50? 50 on left hand and 2 on right hand. Okay, see here. Left hand here and thumb means 50. Here 2. 2 means, see here, ones place number 2. Then we have to take here right hand. Yes or no? 1, 2. 52. Yes. Next number has gone here 12. Then 1, 12. This 1 is on tens. Then I will take 1. It means 60. And here 2, 1 and 2. What is here? 64. Again here has given 10. Then I will represent with the help of left hand. Now count it here. 50, 60, 70 and 74. 74. Our answer is 74. Next number 50, 13, 21. See here, I will do here tens number underline. Okay, then you have to understand. Okay. See, next number 50. I have to represent on left hand 50. Then next 13. How do you represent 13? Tens number is 1. Then left hand 1. I have raised one hand and here unit place 3. Then 1, 2, 3. What is this? 63. Next number units tens number 2. 1, 2. Okay. Then this one ones number 1. What is your answer? What is your answer? See here. 50, 60, 70, 80. 84. Next number, see, underline number tens number 3. 32. Then 3 I have to represent on left hand. 1, 2. 1, is it 1? No. One finger means 10. 10, 20, 30. Then 2, 1, 2. 32. Next number 11. From 11, 10, here 1. 11. Yes. Next number 20. Then I have to add here 20. Is it here finger? No. Then what do we have to do here? Minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2. This is not, this sum will not come in the direct method. I will explain this one later. But now I will solve here. Okay. Now, what I have to add here? 20. If you want to add here 2, then what do you do? What do you do? 50 minus 50 plus it means I will take here different number because this is concept of 5. I will not take now concept of 5. I will not take here concept of 5. I will take here 1. Okay. 10. I will take you concept according to the 9, 8, 7 like this I will take. Okay. Because it will difficult to you. Yes, see here. 32, 10, 20, 30, then 2. 32, 11, 10, 11. Next number 10. Then how we have to represent again? It comes concept of 5. Then we have to see here this one. If we want to plus here 1, then I will remove this number because this is not this is the concept of 5. Yes. Then what is here? 32 plus 11. 32, 11. What is here? Answer, see, count here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, 40 plus 3, 43. Our answer is 43. Next number 30. We have to represent on left hand. 10, 20, 30. Yes or no? Okay. Next number 20. 24. Here 20, it means we want to raise here 10. 20. 20 plus. Okay. 20, we have to add 2 times 10. Yes or no? 20. 10. 10. 20. How do you add here 20? Close finger. 4 finger close and raise thumb. It means 50. Then here 4. 54. This is plus. Plus 5. Thumb. Raise your thumb. Then it becomes 5. Now here 59. What is our answer? 59. Next number 21. 20. On left hand. 10, 20 and here is 1. Next number here has given 22. 10, then 20. It becomes 40. 2. 1, 2. Okay, 43. Next has given here 40. Here also 5 concept I will do here. Okay. Here tens, on tens 4. Then if we want to add here 4, how do you add here? How do you add here? Yes or no? How do you add here? 40. Then down 1, raise this thumb. It becomes 80. 80 and here 1. What is here? 84. Our answer is 84. I will explain you later according to the concept. 9th concept, 8th concept, 7th concept, 5th concept. Okay. Then here next number has given 50. Mixed number has given here 45. 40 then 5 minus 5. Remove this. Close. Minus means we have to close the fingers. Yes. Then plus 6. Raise 5 plus 1, 6. What is this answer? 40, 46. Our answer is 46. Next number. 42. 40 then 2. 42 minus 11. 10 minus, you always when you are closing your finger to remove, then you have to do from this side. Okay, from little finger. Okay, then here 11. 10 minus and here 1 minus. Yes or no? See here. What is your answer? What is your answer? 31. Next has given here plus 10. plus 10, again 41. From 41 we have to minus 25. How we have to minus? I will write here 0 because it is concept of 5. See, 42 minus 11. Okay, minus 11 plus 10 and minus 20. 1, 2, 20. Okay, 10, 20. What is your answer? 21. Next, here 45 minus 15. 45 we have to take here 40, then 5 minus 15. 110, 15, 0. Okay, here it becomes 30. Yes or no? 30. Then here 1, 4, 14 plus 14. 10, 4, 14. We have added. Now answer is 44. After 44, here minus 4. Then we have to minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what is here? 0. Then what is our answer? 40. Next one. Here 3 plus 1. See here 3. Unit number, right hand. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, 1, 2. 2 only. Okay, 2 plus 2, 1, 2, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. What is our answer? 3. Next. 6 we have to take here. Single digit number, then on right hand. 5, 6 plus 1, 7 minus 5. Close this finger. Okay, this finger it means thumb. We have to close the thumb. 4, 5. Okay, plus 3. How we have to do here? Again here 5 concept, but I will do. Okay, raise thumb minus 2. This is 5. Here minus 2. How do you do here minus 2? See here. Close 5 plus raise 3 fingers. Okay, what is your answer? Our answer is 3. I will explain you according to the concept wise. Actually, its answer is 3. Okay, now. Actually, I have to write here according to the concept wise. This is a direct method. I have used here concept of fifth. This one here, in this case, somewhere I have used here concept of fifth. Okay. See. And remaining will be direct method. Remaining we have done by using direct method. Okay, now next number. 4 minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and then plus 5, raise thumb, then plus 4. How do you do? Plus 4. This is also, I will write here too. According to the concept we have to go. Okay. 4 minus 3, then plus 5, then plus 2, minus 9 here is not, then I will erase this one. Okay, I will teach you later according to the concept. You have to follow me, my videos. Okay, then what is your answer? 8. To learn abacus, you have to follow me, then you will learn. Okay, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3, 1, 2, 3. What is your answer? 1. Okay, we have learned here how to do addition, subtraction of 2 digit, 1 digit mixed number. Yes or no? By using direct method. And here 1 or 2 sum has given of concept of 5. I will teach you later according to the concept of 9, concept of 8, concept of 7, concept of 6. These all I am going to take you. I am going to take. then you will learn this abacus. But what you have to do? Just you have to follow my videos, then you will learn abacus, finger abacus. And so many people are solving abacus with the help of beads board. Yes or no? We are doing here with the help of our finger. Just you have to follow me. If you have any query regarding this, you have to put your query below my video. I will help you. Thank you.